Yeah, Ram Charger, apparently they're using that name for whatever Ram's full-size SUV is going to be, which that's news in itself. Ram is going to be making SUVs, not just trucks and vans.
Yeah, which they haven't done before.
Yeah.
Ram as a company has never done that. It makes sense.
The SUVs share more with the trucks, the full-size ones at least. There's
no reason that Dodge needs... I mean, the Durango's great.
And the Durango's more... It's a 7-seat Charger.
Yeah, it's a 7-seat Charger.
Smaller, unibody, sportier. Mm-hmm. It's always been like the smaller, more nimble. I mean, it's hard to think of a Durango as nimble, but compared to like a Tahoe or Suburban, it's more sporting than one of those.
And this will be big, hefty, do all the same things as a Ram, but have more seats.
Yeah. Apparently this will slide in right next to the Jeep Grand Wagoneer in your local Chrysler service bay. So
yeah, if it shares too much with that, it won't ever leave the service bay.
Gosh, I hope it succeeds, though.
Jeep had 112,000 recalls in the last 2 days.
So I would be careful about sharing too much.
Yeah.
With the Grand Wagoneer.
Yeah.
Or at least by the time this comes out, they've sorted out whatever the heck has been plaguing the Grand Wagoneer lineup. Mm-hmm. So yeah, this will be their first SUV. It's expected to be body on frame, possibly share a platform with the Grand Wagoneer. Multiple reputable sources have pointed out that Ram is bringing back the Ram Charger name for whatever this full-size SUV is going to be.
And they already confirmed it.
Oh, Ram did?
Ram confirmed.
Oh, okay. I have it in here not officially confirmed, but I guess that is outdated.
Well, yeah, it was during some conference, and he was like, well, you guys already guessed the name on the Ram Charger. That's what's coming back.